In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up various payment methods here within the system. So first, let's navigate over to Setup on the bottom left-hand side, and then we're going to go to e-commerce. From here, we're going to select the payment section, which is where we are automatically taken, and we're going to add our first payment method. And to do that, we're just going to click Add Your First Payment Method. And the first payment method I'm going to create is a cash payment method or a wire transfer payment method. So this is if you don't have any integrations and you're collecting cash or people are depositing directly into your bank account. This is when you'll create this kind of payment method. So I'm going to go ahead and just call this wire transfer. And then for the type, I'm not going to select anything, and I don't have anything to select yet anyways, because I haven't created any integrations. So that I'm going to leave blank. I could then go ahead and give this payment method a description if I wanted to, and then I can select the currency. Now, because this is a cash payment method, you're probably going to only select one currency type, but I am simply going to go ahead and select all of them. But you could, if you wanted to, select the specific currencies that you use in your business. And then you can customize the availability. So is this payment method available to all your users or only to specific users? So a wire transfer, you might not want to be readily available to all of your users. You might want this to only be available to specific clients who have a long-term relationship with you, who you trust to make those payments via wire transfer. Then you can go ahead and make this enabled and hit save. But now I want to go ahead and add another payment method, and I want to use something like Stripe in order to collect payments from everyone. So what I'm going to do is add an integration. And to do that, I need to come here to integrations on the top left-hand side. And now to add a new integration, I'm simply going to click Add Integration. So I'm going to call this Stripe. And I'm going to make sure that the status is active. And then I'm going to select which of my integrations I want from the dropdown. So you'll see that there are a few different ones. I'm going to go for Stripe. And then I'm going to add in my publishable key and my secret key. Now, this is information that you are going to get from your private Stripe account, and you would then put that in here. I'm just going to put in some gobbledygook information and then hit save. So now I've got my Stripe integration that has been added to the system. I want to create a new payment method that allows me to collect credit card payments from my clients. So I'm going to navigate back to my e-commerce section, and I'm going to add a new payment method. And I'm going to click on Add Payment Method on the top right-hand side. And I'm going to say that this is credit card. And then this is not a manual payment. It is a Stripe payment. Then I can select my currencies again. So I'm going to select all of them. You would select the currencies that are most applicable to your business. You can update the availability, and you can change the status to enabled and hit save. So now when a user goes to place an order on your system, they will be able to select one of these payment methods. So that is how you can add various payment methods to your system to allow your clients and customers to purchase your products. And now you know everything there is to know about setting up products and selling your products here within the system. So congratulations on finishing this training, and we can't wait to see what you do with this knowledge.